So this is an ESP8266. It's known as Node MCU, and it has a USB cable. It doesn't come with the cable, by the way, but then you have this one. So this is a way smaller one, but it's exactly the same code for both of them when you program them. So this one is the ESP1, and you might choose this if you want a smaller project, for instance. But yeah, as you see, this one doesn't have like USB ports. So if you want to program this one, you also need the adapter. And it turns out to be quite simple. Once you have it, you just put it in the socket, connect to your USB port, and then you're ready to go. Now in the video, I'm going to tell you how to set up the Arduino IDE and configure it so we can program these boards. So let's go to the video.
Jungle and Python, JavaScript, tutorials for Jamie, this is Silva.
What the fuck, HTML?
There's only C.
Alright, I'm going to be following this post in my blog. I will leave the link in the description in case you want to access it. And it's a step-by-step guide to install Arduino and configure it to ESP8266. First step, let's install Arduino. So click the link or either go to arduino.cc/en/software and choose your appropriate version. For me, it's Windows. Continue. You need to add your email and just download. The download will start and it's going to take you a while depending on your internet connection. I'm going to close it already and wait for the download. Okay, I had to speed up a little bit the video and I'm going to double click it. I agree, only for me. Install. Click finish and open the Arduino IDE. And in the other side of the screen, I'm going to open this post so we can follow along. Let me see. Yeah, can be like that. So we have the Arduino IDE installed. Next thing we have to do is to add the ESP8266 board URL. To do this, let's go to File, Preferences, and in this last field, let's copy paste this URL just like that. Now optionally you can change the theme. I'm going to actually leave it dark like that. Click OK to save the changes. Third step, install the ESP8266 board package. So go to Tools, Boards, and Boards Manager. Tools, Boards Manager, and type in ESP8266. Just like that, you're gonna have this package by ESP8266 community. Click install. It takes some seconds. Okay, it's installed now. Now, once installed, you'll see a list of ESP8266 compatible boards under Tools, Boards. Let's see, Tools, Board, and here it is. Now, whatever board you are using for ESP8266, you need to select it in here, or alternatively, you can go directly to this select box. And in the last option, you have select other board and ports. Right now I am using a ESP1, So for this version, I always use this generic ESP8266 module. So you just click that, and then you need to select which port is the ESP connected to. So normally the correct port is the one with the USB between parentheses. So I'm gonna click it and OK. Let's take a look at a quick example. Let's go to File, Examples, and a little bit down you have this ESP8266, and go ahead and click Blink. It's going to open an example for blinking the built-in LED. I can close the older window and let me minimize that. So it has a lot of comments. I'm going to uncomment just to make it a little bit more simple. And it's actually quite simple what's happening in here. You have this function set up that it's only executed one time during this program. And then you have a function loop that it's executed continuously while the ESP is turned on. So what happens in here is that we define the LED built-in as an output. And after that, we enter the loop function and we say that the LED built-in should be turned low. So this is the same as turning off the LED. We wait 1 second, so this is a delay in milliseconds. And after we wait 1 second, we turn the LED back on using high and low. After the LED is turned on, we are going to wait 2 seconds and everything gets repeated again continuously while you leave the ESP on. That's about it. I'm going to click upload so we see how it looks like. And there you go. You know it's uploading correctly when you see something similar to this. It takes about 30 seconds. Then you have the code inside. And there you go. Here's the result, the blinking code. You can now connect this to any power source. It doesn't depend anymore on the computer. And yeah, it's that simple. I hope you enjoy. I think I will be doing more videos on what can we do with this, probably how to connect it to the internet. And yeah, bye.